Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use samples in Bandlab. Sampling is a fantastic way to add unique textures and sounds to your music, allowing you to create entirely new sonic landscapes. Bandlab provides an intuitive platform for both beginners and experienced producers to explore the creative possibilities of sampling. We will cover everything from importing your first sound to manipulating it within your track, ensuring you can confidently incorporate samples into your next musical masterpiece. Now, let's get those sounds into your project. First, open a new track and select the sampler instrument. You have three main options for bringing in audio. You can record something new directly, import a file from your device's storage, or explore the extensive Bandlab Sounds library. This library offers over 10,000 royalty-free loops and one-shots, providing a vast resource for your creative endeavors. It's a treasure trove of inspiration. With your sample loaded, the real fun begins. Bandlab's sampler allows for extensive manipulation. You can precisely trim the start and end points to isolate the perfect segment. Experiment with pitching the sample up or down to fit your track's key or create interesting vocal effects. Don't forget time stretching to seamlessly match the sample to your project's tempo. Plus, a wide array of built-in effects like reverb and delay can transform your sound dramatically. Finally, it's time to integrate your expertly crafted samples into your full production. Drag and drop them onto the timeline, arranging them with your other instrument and vocal tracks. Consider using automation to add dynamic changes to volume, pan, or effects over time, making your samples truly come alive. Mix your samples carefully to ensure they sit perfectly within your overall sound. Once satisfied, export your masterpiece and share your unique creations with the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.